What if I told you Ford once sold a luxury van so confident in the 1970s that it wore green houndstooth and never apologized for it? And what if that van still makes grown men stop mowing their lawns today? Ladies and gentlemen, the first time we rolled up to a 1973 Ford Econoline E200 Club Wagon Chateau, I believe my neighbor Timmy stopped mowing his lawn just to stare. And honestly, I don't blame him. This thing has the kind of presence that makes you forget what you were doing, like when you walk into the garage for a wrench and leave with a soda and no memory of the wrench. We think this van perfectly captures the 1970s attitude. Confident, slightly excessive, and absolutely unapologetic. This particular Econoline has a great backstory. It was bought new by a Ford Motor Company employee in Detroit and stayed with that owner until 2020. Finished in Scandia green metallic and Wimbledon white, it measures roughly 191 inches long, 485 centimeters, and sits wide and proud on 15-inch Ansen slot mag wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires. I like the most that these wheels were installed back in 1974, meaning this van has been cool longer than most of my friends have been alive. Under the doghouse lives a 3 2 cubic inch V8, that's 4.9 litres, paired with a C4 3-speed automatic transmission. We think the setup delivers just the right balance of rumble and reliability. Power goes to a Ford 9-inch rear axle, and a dual exhaust with Magnaflow mufflers gives it a sound that makes parking garages feel like concert halls. Power steering, power-assisted 4-wheel drum brakes, and dual front shocks help keep this big green beast under control. Inside, the Chateau package really shines. High-back captain's chairs and a matching second-row bench are trimmed in green houndstooth upholstery, which I believe should be legally required to come with sunglasses. There's woodgrain trim, a padded dash, chrome accents, deluxe carpeting, and front and rear heating. Factory air conditioning is present, although it currently doesn't blow cold, which feels very authentic for a 1970s luxury vehicle. The odometer shows 34,000 miles, about 54,700 kilometers, but it has rolled over multiple times, so total mileage is unknown. Mechanically, the current owner rebuilt the carburetor, installed a Pertronics ignition, a dual-row timing chain, and replaced the water pump, alternator, and valve cover gaskets. I think that kind of maintenance explains why this van still feels ready for road trips and questionable decisions. This Econoline sold in August 2024 for $22,500, roughly 20,700 euros, which we believe is strong money but fair for such a documented and well-preserved example. And yes, there is a link under the video. It's always under the video. If you want to become a sponsor of the channel for just $1, do it. For $1, you'll help keep this van on the road and keep my friends convinced this is still a real job. The sponsorship link is in the description below.